How to fix WeChat Server Access Failure. So if you want to fix the WeChat Server Access Failure problem, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, then you'll be able to fix that problem, because the unusual network problem arises because of the internet connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for WeChat. Once you've searched, now here you will have the application, right? So you just need to simply go with updates, which is on the right side, if you have any updates under your WeChat. And once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove, and then you can simply tap and hold on to your WeChat application and go with App Info. And once you're here on the App Info, you need to scroll down and go with Storage and Cache, and go with Clear Cache, and then go with Clear Storage and delete the app storage. But if you don't remember your information like login credentials, then don't tap on delete. Once you go with Clear Cache, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is simply restart your device. So press and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But even after restarting, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then again press and hold on to your WeChat, go with the app info, and here make sure under the permissions you have allowed the permissions. So you can simply go with camera, contacts, and everything, and make sure that you've allowed all of these options. So go with one and then tap on the first or the second. You can go with allow only while using the application, or you can go with the second, which is ask every time, and you need to allow that permissions. Once you've allowed, then your problem might be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix WeChat Server Access Failure. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.